Typically to me, when I see the cow comfort needs to be addressed, I would look at the stalls. Are the cows perching in the stalls? Maybe they're a little too narrow, a little too not wide enough for the cows. Do we need to move maybe the shoulder bar? Do we need to move the brisket bar? What can we do to make the cows get a little more comfortable in the stalls? Another thing that I always feel about when I think the cow comfort needs to be addressed is, are cows bunching? There could be a lot of things that could cause that. Flies, not enough ventilation, light. Light always seems to do it. Do we need to get better ventilation over the stalls to get the cows actually laying and kind of spread out in the entire barn? That to me always says that they need to be addressed. I had a barn just recently that was interesting. We closed the indoors, and that was enough to get the cows to continue on laying in the beds just because there was too much light in the barn.